Between diaper changes, work meetings, and laundry, do you find time for yourself? Self-care often feels like a luxury, like a dream. But what if you could feel beautiful and confident? Brazilian waxing can empower busy moms to feel amazing, quickly. Stay tuned for tips, secrets, and real talk every mom needs. For many millennial moms, Brazilian waxing means so much more. It's self-love that brings confidence, comfort, and control. You spend countless hours caring for others. This is for you. Shaving every few days. That's exhausting and time-consuming. Waxing provides weeks of smooth skin, giving you time back. Most importantly, it reminds you that your needs matter too. Nervous about the process? Let's decode Brazilian waxing together. A Brazilian wax removes hair from the front to the back, yes, or. Expect your appointment to take about 15–30 minutes. Yes, there might be discomfort, but it will ease with time. A skilled technician makes all the difference to your experience. After your wax, avoid hot baths and tight clothing. Stay moistured afterward with soothing products. Aloe-based products work wonders for your sensitive skin. There are even specific formulas designed for postpartum moms. When choosing a place, not all salons are made equal. Look for certified technicians with strong hygiene practices. Check reviews and ask about sanitation before booking. A clean salon means a safe experience for you and your body. Remember, feel respected and comfortable during your visit. Don't settle. This is your body and your choice. Wondering how to fit waxing into your busy life? Start by booking ahead. Right after school drop-off is ideal. Some salons offer weekend or evening hours. Take advantage. At-home waxing kits are backup options for time constraints. Realistically, some moms wax monthly, while others every 6–8 weeks. Your routine should suit your comfort level and lifestyle. This journey is about more than smooth skin, it's self-care. Prioritizing your well-being shows your family you matter too. A confident mom equals a present and powerful mom. Consider pairing waxing with other self-care practices. Journaling, skincare, or taking short walks brings joy. Self-care doesn't need to be long or expensive. It just needs to be intentional and regular. So, to all the millennial moms, you can be radiant and strong. A little planning alongside self-love makes all the difference. If inspired, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment. What's your favorite self-care ritual?